Okay, when you replace your air filter, generally if you had the stock air filter box in the car, there's going to be some sand and leaves or whatever, what have you, inside of this box. So you can take a vacuum cleaner and vacuum all of the loose material out, so you can make sure that your filter is properly clean when you put it back in. And what you want to do when you put your filter back on, you want to make sure that you have all your components in the right place. And you just generally, in the stock filter, you just generally put the filter back in and clamp the top of the box back on. But with this application, you have a couple of clamps you have to deal with, so you just make sure you get everything back properly so that it's not in the way of anything else in the vehicle. And just tighten it back down. And that is how you replace your air filter.